Hi everyone, today I have a tutorial for Hydrangea Quilling. Hydrangea tools that you need are, of course, the paper strips. These paper strips is 2 millimeter in the width, 2 millimeter and 17 inches in length. This one. You need a for this I use white glue. Yeah, white glue. Of course, scissors, and of course, slotted tool. To start, yeah, I need for one petal. For one petal, I use 8 pieces of paper strip. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 paper strips. And I have to start rolling it using the slotted tool. Okay, again guys, this is 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter in the width, and have to start rolling it. The third one, fourth one, and it's the last one. You have to seal or glue the last part, so it would be look like this. Yeah, this one. And I have a very important technique in doing this. I'm using a toothpick and pushing the hole at the center, and if you see this, you need to cut the 1 2 up to third roll of the paper strip. I'm cutting this. Why? Because um, the mark of the slotted tool will not be visible. Like 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 this. Look at this one. So the slotted tool mark would not be so visible. And this one. Yeah. So I need 4 pieces of this. Yeah. Thank you for more liking. 4 pieces of this. One. Then after here we have a 4 petals. We have to glue these petals. some are sometimes I glue the flower like this one. It's up to you guys if what kind of a gluing are you gonna do. It's either this one, like overlapping. Yeah, it's overlap. Look like this. I'm gonna show that. Yeah, look like this. But sometimes I glue the flower like this. One is on the top, two on the second, and the one at the last bottom, like this one. Like this one. And I'm gonna use like this one right now. And for the center, you can use any bright colors. For this, I use this bright pink. I need two paper strips for the center. It's for the center. I need to roll a coil of two paper strips like this one. It's a tight coil. And then I have to mold it using the circle molder. Circle molder. It's for the center. So this is the center. And I glue all the parts at the bottom of this dome. Yeah. And put it to the center. Like this one. You can play with the colors of any colors you like. And recently I made this one. So I have a three color variation. Look like this. See, I have three color variation and different center. So beautiful. For the color, for the leaves, you can use traditional quilling of the leaves, or you can use construction paper painted with acrylic paint. For more realistic, I use construction paper spray with acrylic paint. So it looks like this. So realistic. If you can have time, you can emboss the vein so that it can be look more realistic. This one. It's not yet blue. So beautiful to know. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I have more tutorials soon to upload like this one.